What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have another cool install video. Thanks American Modified, they did supply another front grille. Now I am in a 23 Roush charged F150. For the guys that don't know, these F150s that are boosted, it is stupid how fast they are. They actually sent me this grill. I like it a lot. It's actually my mom's truck. She likes it a lot. I let her know and everything, so picked it up and we're gonna go ahead and install it. Now, should be pretty simple. The only thing we gotta figure out is how I'm gonna run the lights. The two yellow lights up top and then kind of like a light bar in the center. Figure that out once we get to it, but for now, let's get this thing home. I already got my pick-me-up. And yeah, let's get installing this video. Boom. Let's jump on over here to the front grille. Now, I did open it just to make sure everything is in there, and it is. We're all good. So, see, got it on my fiance's car. There's a Roush, all nice and dirty. But yeah, let's get this out just so I can show you guys what it looks like, which one it is, and how awesome it is. And it's so hard to get this big thing in the video, but there it is. Now, what I was saying earlier was, here, let me lay this down real quick. All right, so like I was saying with these three lights, I want these three top ones to run different from these. These I'm gonna connect to the fog light. These, I'll figure these out right now. But there she is. This is the power and ground for the, I guess you can call it a light bar, LED bar. Anyways, and then here are the connectors for the three lights up top. Now it's pretty cool because they do come with the full wiring harness for those three lights. See, you got all three connectors, then power and ground, which we'll figure all that out and we'll go from there. Should be pretty simple from the research I've done, obviously. These two screws, pop this off. Same thing on the other side, and this front little bottom grill should come off. Now, the only problem I have today is, that's kind of the only tools I got because all my other tools are in my other car, which then I traded to pick up this. So yeah, but I should be fine because I'm dumb. Anyways, let's get to it. I love this car. Look at this thing. Oh, beautiful. All right, let's get to that. All right, so after that, once you get those two screw off on both sides, this should come right out. Honestly, just give it a tug. Yeah. So, all right, I'm gonna use both hands to do this, but let's go back to the time lapse. You guys will watch it, and I'm gonna pull it the rest of the way. All right, a little bit more nerve-wracking than it should have been. Probably just me. But anyway, so I know what we gotta do is now remove this top lid here, take off all these clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's more. Yep. Okay. Take all these off and then go ahead and remove these two bolts here. One here and one here. And I believe the grill comes out. I believe so. So let's try it. Let's do that. All right. So once you get all those clips off, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14 clips. Especially right now, like I said, I don't have all my tools, so I don't have my clip tool. Anyways, so now what we're gonna do is, going off of this, is we're gonna disconnect these. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, I believe, come out. And this thing should be sliding right out, so. So it's off. Now, only problem I have right now is, it's not a problem. It's kind of a cool thing, but I didn't take into account until is that, you know, it is supercharged, which does have the heat exchanger. Now, for replacement of the heat exchanger, there is no grill shutter. It's out. So what I got to do is I believe it's just got to transfer this over onto that grill, which then this should be able to bolt up no problem, just like that. All right, so once you get kind of the seat, with these top clips, honestly, remove them when you're taking the rest of them off. These are some heavy duty ass clips. Anyways, so now you gotta remember, this thing doesn't have, like I said, a full grill shutter. The grill shutter is actually gutted on this one because of the heat exchanger for the blower. So now, cool thing is, I thought this was like a nut and bolt, but I guess it comes with the clip. It's pretty cool. So that slides into there, and we should be able to get that in there. Damn, look at that. That looks freaking amazing. Oh my god. Anyways, so I'm not going to clip it in fully right now, like bolt it all in. I did get the heat exchanger in. Heat exchanger is bolted down. Reason for is because I still got to run these. So if I need to pull it out a little bit just to run some wires, I'll do that. But for now, I have these out like this. Grill is still loose in case I need to fish it through or something. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna figure all the wiring out, and then I'll update you guys right now. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, the grill's kind of half-ass out. Headlights out. It's a ginormous headlight. Now, what did I do to get it to work? I did get these lights to work with the running lights instead of running them together. Now, pretty much, I kind of got lucky because they have this. This turns on. Let me see if I can do it. When I unlock it. See? Cool little dancey light thingy. Cool. So you lock it, does it, right? Well, got lucky because they ran a power and ground to that from this. So this is a side marker light right here, and it's on all the time. So, which pretty much goes with the daytime running lights. So I unlocked the truck. On. Nice. Perfect. So now, that's what I did. I ran it with the top turn signal. Power and ground. That's all there is on this. It's just power and ground. And it ran perfectly, turns on and everything. So, yeah. That's all the wiring. Got it all wrapped up. So now what I'm going to do is put the headlight in, slap this on, and then run the little light bar thing right there to turn on. So, let's get to it. I mean, pretty much plug it in, bolt it all back up, and then get wiring the light bar. Alrighty, so I kind of got ahead of myself and started taping it, but I can show you here. So online, there was no, I had to cut this to get a little bit more wire out of it. But online, there was no diagram or anything that I was able to find on the fog light, because it has a running light and then you have your main fog light here. So there was no diagram on where to get it, how to get it, what's the wires do, all that, right? So make sure that's all tight. So I sat here and I had to pin every single one and see which one worked with it, which figured it out, thank God. Now, for power wise, it is going to be that, God, my hands are disgusting. It's going to be that wire right there, that pink bluish wire or violet blue for the power of it. And it's going to be this black and yellow wire. Now, did that. So now, let's go to the truck here. Now what we're going to do is kick it on, make sure fog lights are on, turn it on. All right, so now fog lights are on, which then, bam. And you can tell fog lights are on, light bar is on. That one's not on because it's not plugged in yet. So then if you come over here, turn off fog lights with the fog lights off. So got it on, looks good, looks awesome. So now what I'm gonna do is wrap all this up, make it look all nice, plug it in, put the trim panel piece in, and we should be all done. I'm gonna get one more video of it plugged in so it's all on. So let's see. All right, guys, she is all finished. Everything is all back on. Now, look at this. Let's hit this real quick. Boom, they turn on. So now let's go ahead and turn on the fog lights. Turn on the truck and turn on the fog lights. Yep, look at that. And both fog lights are on. Nice. Look at that. Sick. I like this a lot. Cool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to clean up all my mess here real quick. And then clean it up. And then we'll get some other videos. That's going to finish up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy these type of videos. I know I do a lot. If you guys are new, please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification anytime we upload. You guys will know. And remember, guys, don't stop, keep going. I'll see you on the next one.